Om Shanti. Today, 26th of September 2021. Let us listen today's Avyak Murli. Title: The most elevated stars are the stars of success. Today, the sun of knowledge and the moon of knowledge are looking at their alokik constellation. You children are lucky stars and lovely stars. Each and every star is giving light to the entire world with its own sparkle. Today, Baba are talking about different types of stars. Some are closest stars, those who are close to Father, while some are at distant way. Some are stars of success, some are fortunate stars, while some stars are with a tail. They are called pooch stars who repeatedly ask questions why, when, what, how, etc. Baba says the most elevated stars are the stars of success. The stars of success are the ones who have success merged in their every action. They constantly experience that success is their birthright. The Father, the Son of Knowledge, constantly gives unlimited light and power to all the stars. But because some are close and others are distant, there is a difference. The closer the relationship, the greater the experience of light and power. The aim of the closest star is that they want to become equal. Now, invaluable versions spoken by Avyak Babdada in personal meetings. First, do you constantly experience yourself to be a child of the bestower of happiness, who gives happiness to every soul? You have the speciality of giving happiness to everyone. Those who give happiness to everyone receive blessings from everyone. This is why you always experience yourself to be happy. With this speciality, your present and also your future will become good. Second, do you constantly experience yourself to be a powerful child of the Almighty Father? A powerful soul is always content and also makes others content. A powerful soul means a soul who is full of treasure of contentment. Always continue to move forward in this awareness. It is this treasure that will make everyone full and overflowing. Do you have the happiness that out of everyone in the whole world, the Father selected you and made you belong to Him? The awareness that the Father selected you alone out of innumerable souls gives you so much happiness. The Father made me belong to Him because I was the fortunate soul of the previous cycle. I am that now and I will become that again. I am such a fortunate soul. Constantly continue to move forward in this awareness. Now Baba is talking about the service. The importance of service through action is greater than those who give lectures. Baba says the power of doing service while constantly remaining carefree makes you move forward. When you remain free from the thought of whether you did something or whether someone else did it, service takes place in a completely carefree way, and the power of that constantly makes you move forward. Baba says the more service you do, the more your account of charity will continue to increase. So, your account of charity has become imperishable. This charity makes you full for many births. So, you are a charitable soul, and as a charitable soul, you always show others the path of charity. Baba says, do you experience yourself to be an elevated soul who constantly stays in remembrance of one Father and experience a constant stage? When you have remembrance of one Father, you automatically and easily experience a constant and stable stage. Baba says you are Babdada's special decoration. The greatest decoration of all is the jewel on the forehead. A jewel on the forehead always sparkles. So those who become such jewels that constantly sparkle on the forehead look so lovely. Baba says you should move forward with the method of giving instant donations and receiving charity by following the Father. By using this method in every task, you automatically and constantly experience the stage of being equal to the Father. So, from the beginning, you became experienced in constantly following the Father in every task. Therefore, even now, it is extremely easy to become equal using the same method because you are using the specialities that are merged in you. Baba says the service will continue all the time, just as the Bhandara kitchen never closes. This too is a Bhandara. It will continue eternally. If something is taking a long time, then it will probably be even better for this is why it is taking a long time. The blessing of today's Murli is that may you be an obedient of the reward of effort by constantly having a constant and perfect mood. I repeat, may you be an obedient of the reward of effort by constantly having a constant and perfect mood. Babdada observe from the subtle region that the mood of some children changes a lot. Sometimes they have a surprise mood, sometimes a mood of question marks, sometimes a mood of confusion, sometimes they are in swing of tension, and sometimes a swing of attention. However, the confluence age is the age of experiencing the reward, not the effort. And so the father's virtues are the children's. The father's stage is the children's stage. This is the reward of the confluence age. So constantly have a constant and perfect mood, and you will said to be equal to the father. That is an obedient of the reward. Slogan: let the hand of your intellect be in Bab Dada's hand, and you will not shake in the ocean of test. I repeat, let the hand of your intellects be in the Bab Dada's hand, and you will not shake in the ocean of test. Om Shanti.